Make snoring a thing of the past. Do you have a snoring problem you want to take care of? Just about everybody occasionally snores, however, when the condition is affecting your nightly sleep, it can have an impact on every aspect of your life. Read these tips to learn about remedies for snoring. Snoring and smoking are not a good combination, so it's yet another good reason for you to quit. Smoking irritates tissues in your throat, which can cause them to become swollen. Swelling of the throat is a main contributor to the reasons that snoring occurs. Try not to take any medications that contain sedatives, if you want to stop snoring. Sedatives are known to relax the throat muscles, and when these muscles are too relaxed, snoring occurs. If your medications have sedatives, speak with your doctor about switching to a similar medication that does not have a sedative. Try to keep your head elevated when sleeping if you want to prevent snoring. Being in this position allows your muscles and airways to get in just the right amount of air, which lessens the chance that you will snore. Just prop some pillows behind your head or use a thick pillow. Switching pillows may actually help eliminate snoring. There are certain pillows available that prevent you from rolling onto your back when you sleep. Sleeping on your back is the position that snoring occurs in most often. If you are unsure of which pillows are best, you can ask your doctor. In order to reduce snoring at night, work to clear your nasal passages before going to bed. You can take a nasal decongestant, pill or spray, or sleep with a neti pot next to your bed for a more organic solution. Getting the mucus out of your passages will make it less likely that you will snore. Try sleeping on your side if you snore. Your tendency to snore can be affected by your sleep position. If you always sleep on your back, your throat muscles will be more likely to snap shut as they relax. This will cause you to snore, since air cannot pass through as easily. Try switching to sleeping on your side in order to correct this. If you have a tendency to snore, your medications may be to blame. A few medicines dry out your nasal passages, resulting in inflammation and reduced airflow. Other medicines can have a sedative effect, that makes your throat muscles relax so much that you cannot get enough air when you sleep. Refrain from sleeping on a mattress that you sink into or is slanted. This will cause your body to be at an angle, which can put tension on your air passages during the night. Try to find a mattress that is parallel to the ground so that you can breathe efficiently without snoring. There are a lot of things that could be done to avoid snoring. Apply the advice that you have read, and you may find that you start to sleep better, and improve the quality of your life. Stop letting snoring keep you from getting quality sleep. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.